Everyone, today we're gonna be replacing the rear differential oil in my 2018 4x4 Dodge Ram. So you're gonna need a truck. Yeah, the rear differential right there. So the first thing we're gonna do, my truck is equipped with a 392 limited slip differential. So we're gonna be using the gear oil and limited slip additive on it. So be aware what kind of differential you have, because some of them need that additive. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna be taking this plug out. What I got out, it's pretty easy to take out. It's just a plug. And using a number 14 millimeter Allen wrench, we're gonna be removing this plug out of here. So I'm gonna cut the video pretty quick to get it loose. I already broke it loose, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it all the way and put the pan sideways. I think it's better that way. One of those days. Okay. There you go. And let it drain for a while. So while it drains, I went ahead, put some Teflon tape and the plug, and this is the oil I'm gonna be using on my truck. It's 775 W140. So, and that's what I was just talking about, the limited slip additive. If you had a limited slip differential, Mopar's ask to add this additive to the rear diff. So what I'm gonna do, I got it open already, so I'm gonna toss it in here and shake it and shake the oil with it, so that way it get diluted already before I put it in the differential. So Mopar in my truck asked for 5 ounces, so I had to buy this one, which is 4 ounces, and another extra one to use probably about this amount from the other. It goes all the way up to here, so it will be about this amount right here. So I'm gonna be adding it to it first before putting the truck. As you seen, it already drained completely, so I'm gonna put it back here. I don't know exactly how much torque is supposed to be, so I suggest you to consult the maintenance manual, so that way you know how much you put it. I personally, I like to tighten it, but you can just go consult the maintenance manual, which I suggest you to do it. Also, to be sure what kind of differential you have, so that way you have to be sure if you have the right oil and if yours need the additive or not. In my case, I had a limited slip. I do need the additive, but it's just a plug. It's tight enough right there. I don't want to go. See, I think it's good right here. So now we go outside again. You can service different ways. You can have this pump, or you can use just this. I like this one, it's quicker. I use it a lot, and I'm gonna be using this one. I'm going to show you how to use it. You just attach it to the top of the quart right here, and it has a lock here. You lock it close. Once you have it in the hole over there, then you open it and let the fuel goes down. I'm gonna service it right now. Okay, so I already got. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert this in this hole right here, and lift the bottle and let it go down by gravity. So you know it's service complete when it gets full to this level and it starts dripping down. So if it doesn't drip, that means you were low in oil. So, which I noticed when I pulled my plug out, there was no oil dripping. But I'm glad that's what maintenance is for. You'll be checking your oil level, and once you replace it, probably if I keep running it, it would be bad enough. It would be bad in a long time run. But so I'm glad I was able to cut it in time and I'm well on service. So remember, services through here. This is your level right here, and when it starts dripping, it's full. You don't need more oil. If you over service it, it's gonna create overpressure in your differential, and it will blow your seals. That's why we do, because the gears, when it moves, the spins, the gears, when touch each other, they create pressure. And also, if it creates pressure, it will create bubbles, and your lubrication would lose efficiency. So be sure of that. I'm gonna service it. I cannot show it to you because I cannot hold the camera and service it at the same time, but that's what it is. Then you put the plug back. So if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.